Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to put questions in your TikTok video. So nowadays it's very trending. People use questions on their video. How you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your TikTok mobile application and you have to click on this plus icon in the main menu. So once you will do it, now here you will see camera is open. Now you will see reply option here, so click on it and go to the suggested, and here you will see different questions that you can ask to answer. So select any question from here and you will see it's appear. Now shoot a video with it and post it on your TikTok. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.